Hi there. Thanks for joining us. Have you ever wondered how huge transformers, some weighing over 300 tons, get from point A to point B? Let's take a quick look at 7 real-world examples featuring hydraulic equipment. First up, in Texas, this 330-ton transformer needed an Enerpac SBL 900 hydraulic gantry to lift it smoothly from a rail car straight onto a heavy haul truck, ready to take it to its final destination. Inside this transformer manufacturing plant in Argentina, the company uses an Enerpac hydraulic gantry to raise transformer cores weighing up to 300 tons into the upright position, making it possible to assemble bigger, more powerful equipment efficiently and safely. Sometimes transformers need moving for maintenance from places where space is restricted. Here in the United States, this Enerpac skidding system using hydraulic cylinders and low-friction pads allowed a single operator to slide these giants out. No crane needed and no hassle. Imagine if you needed to replace 4 heavy transformers in a basement with barely any headroom. In this example, Enerpac climbing jacks and a skidding system made it possible to move 4 16-ton transformers through narrow corridors and steep drops. And knowing the weight of transformers to calculate shipping costs is vital before transporting them overseas, as it helps to avoid costly surcharges. In New Zealand, for example, a synchronous lift system with multiple lift points was used to precisely measure a 109-ton transformer to meet the port's strict limits. And finally, at a Baltic offshore wind power site, the Enerpac SBL 1100 gantry lifted and precisely positioned 2 transformers weighing 345 tons onto their installation tracks. Moving these giant transformers was the result of combining human ingenuity with engineering muscle. To find out more about the hydraulic equipment used, visit enerpac.com. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.